Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know, long time no see. I am so incredibly sorry for that. I promise it will not happen again. I actually missed filming videos. I just had a little funk, but I will be trying to film a life update video for you guys, just so you know where I've been, what I've been doing. So yes, I just wanted to hop on here and say hello. I filmed this Get Ready With Me, which you're about to see. It's my everyday, my go-to look, so I hope you guys enjoy. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as well, go follow me on all my social media handles. And then another thing, all my products will be listed down below, just in case I went too fast of showing you the products. So yes, I hope you guys enjoy. Bye guys. Hey guys, welcome to my first ever Get Ready With Me / voiceover. I am so excited. So I'm just gonna hop right into telling you guys what I'm doing. So I'm going in with NYX's Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Espresso. And I just line the bottom and the top and fill them in and spoolie them to blend them. Now I'm going in with the e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer in the shade Tan Sand. Now it looks a little bit light right here on camera, but it actually isn't as light as it looks. This concealer reminds me a lot of the Tarte Shape Tape. I even like it a lot better than that. It's not as thick and it has the same like longevity to it. I'm actually thinking about adding this concealer to my kit because guys, it's only $5. My brows are done. Now I'm going to use the same concealer as my eyeshadow primer, and then I just blend that into my eyelid. And then I didn't show you guys on camera, but I set it with my Wet n Wild translucent powder. I always like to just lock in my concealer or any eyeshadow primer that I use because I do have oily eyelids. Then I'm going in with the 15N Nightmaster Morphe palette, and I'm going in with the shade Opal, and I'm putting that in my outer corner and all over my crease. And it's a lot of blending, so we're gonna blend until our hand falls off. I cut a lot of it out because I did a lot of blending and I didn't want to bore you guys with all of that. So yeah, I'm just blending here, and then I add more color as I go for the amount of pigmentation or the color that I want. And you can do that with any eyeshadow color, of course. I just picked up this palette today. I kind of just stick to the same tones with whatever palette I end up using. Next, I'm going in with my Bobbi Brown bronzing powder in the shade Deep 4. I love this as a eyeshadow. I usually use it as my transition color anytime that I'm going to do like a smoky eye or anything, because it's just a perfect amount of warmness, because I really don't do cool eyeshadows, which I want to step out of my comfort zone and start doing. Next, I'm going in with a flat brush, and I'm going in with the shade Custom from the same palette, and I'm actually just patting that all over my entire lid. And then I'm going in with the Pixie Duo mascara, or it's something like that. It's a 2-in-1 mascara. It has a smaller brush and a bigger brush. I've been liking this lately, so. Then I'm going in with the e.l.f. Plus Matte Oil Control Primer. You guys, I absolutely love that primer. Then the foundations I'm going to be using are the Studio Fix and I believe it's the Prolonged Waterproof, and I mix those two. FYI, I know I actually might look a little bit lighter than my neck or my arms. I have not bought a foundation that is my summer color because I'm actually a lot darker than I usually get. So I may look a little light. Now I do bronze a lot to kind of make up for that. So just excuse that and bear with me, especially my forehead. It's super tan right now. So I apologize for I apologize for me looking a little lighter than usual. But like I said, I kind of just bronze a lot. So if you guys have that issue, just kind of bronze more than usual. Then I'm going in with MAC Studio Fix Concealer. Oh no, I'm sorry. Pro Longwear Concealer in the shade NC42. This is a fan fave concealer. I mean, it's alright to me. I like it. But I do have like other concealers I like. This is where I switch out my concealers all the time. So this guy, kind of comes in and out of what concealer I'm using. Like, I used to use it all the time when I worked there at MAC, but now I kind of like, again, I've been liking the e.l.f. 16-hour concealer, so I just had this one for today. Then I'm going to actually go in with my Morphe brush that I talked about on my Instagram stories, and I loved it. Next, and then I have the Wet n Wild translucent powder. You guys, this is one of my favorite powders ever, and it's only like $6. Like, you guys need it in your life. I do that under my eyes and all over my face. It really makes my skin look very smooth. Then I went in with MAC Pro Longwear powder, and it broke all over me. And that is in the shade Medium Tan. I love this powder. Right before I left MAC, I think they were discontinuing it, unfortunately. Now for bronzer, to start off, I'm using the Milani Baked Bronzer in the shade 05 Soleil? Something like that. But I love this bronzer. It gives a nice, like, healthy glow because it has little shimmers in it. I love it. And sometimes I actually use that as a blush too. So, FYI on that guy. Like, it's super pretty. It gives you like a sun-kissed kind of look. And I'm watching Forensic Files. I know that because I know I talk to myself throughout this. And then I'm dusting off the excess powder that I have underneath my eye. Then I'm going in with the same bronzer that I used all over my eye, and I'm going to deepen up my contour. This one is a matte bronzer. I'm actually looking for some new bronzers, guys, so if you have any suggestions, please let me know, because sometimes I feel like I look a little orange, so let me know. I'm thinking I want to go more cool tone, but I have no idea. So if you have any suggestions, like I said, let me know. And then I go in with a good old dual fiber brush, and I blend any harsh lines, anything kind of to diffuse everything. Then I am using the BECCA Mineral Blush in Songbird. I freaking love this blush, dude. Like, I just picked it up at TJ Maxx for $7.99. They have such good makeup, like, it's crazy. So now I am doing a kind of like cutting my contour with the Wet n Wild translucent powder and my Morphe sponge. Kind of cut that contour. And then I'm going in with Whisper of Guilt as my highlight. If you guys have not tried this, I have like 5 of them because I thought they were going to be like limited edition, so I stocked up. You guys need this highlighter because it is so good. And then I'm just applying it. I like to smile when I apply it because when I smile in the sunlight or anything, my highlight beams off of people. Or not off people, but you know what I mean. You can kind of see it. And then I'm blending it, singing. That's why it takes me forever to get ready. Then I'm going in with Teddy, and I am lining my waterline because I will be smoking out my lower lash line. Teddy is one of those products that I feel like everybody needs as well. I've used Teddy as an eyeshadow. So now I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line with the shade Opal and Goals in that palette, and kind of just go and diffuse that and kind of pick up that liner too. And then here I show you the second part of the mascara, which is a smaller part. And I like it. It's alright. It's a pretty good mascara. Now going back in with Whisper of Guilt in my inner corner to brighten up that area. I love adding highlight in my inner corner. Alright guys, now I'm spraying my face with some Fix Plus. Then with Magic, I have lashes on. And then I'm going in with the Toast and Butter Lip Liner from MAC. And I put that all over my entire lip to help keep my lipstick on. And I'm just applying that. Then for my lipstick, I'm going to be using Yash by MAC. And then to top all of that off, I will be using Lush Lip Gloss. Here lately, I've been liking a glossy type of look. Alright guys, I hope you enjoy the final product.